Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alissa Capron and I post new cleaning videos every Tuesday. Today I have a clean with me video because I wanted to show you guys my updated cleaning routine. With everything going on in the world right now, I've been trying to clean more often and keep things wiped down more often. So this routine I've been doing about every few days or so just to make sure everything gets nice and clean. And before we get into the rest of this video, if you guys could take a second to like and subscribe, it really helps me out, and I hope you enjoy. So as you can see, I started in the living room today because my furniture is all moved around and is now blocking the walkway. I have it like this because I've cleared that space in my living room for at-home workouts, and now I just need to find new homes for the chair footrest and then that little chest that we had in the middle of the living room, because I'm definitely not going to move them every single time I want to work out. So here is my official new setup for this quarantine, and I actually don't hate it, and at least it's a lot more functional than before. Although there is always usually many blankets and pillows on this couch, no one actually sleeps on here. I think they just get brought into the living room and then left there until there's so many that I decide to put them away. To wipe down my surfaces, today I'm using the Method All-Purpose Cleaner, and this is the scent Honeycrisp Apple. You can get this stuff at either Target or Grove, and I do have a link to it in my description box below. Now moving into the bedroom, and the first thing I'm going to do is just pick everything up, starting with these clean clothes that I just threw on my bed.
Perfect.
I'm using the Method Antibac bathroom cleaner today on all of the surfaces in my bathroom, and to make sure that I'm letting them sit, I'm spraying everything including the countertop, the shower, and the toilet first, and then going back and wiping everything down after. I'm using the Method Antibac toilet cleaner for the inside of the toilet, and I actually just learned that you're supposed to clean it and then let it sit without flushing it for a while because it will continue to disinfect. So I waited about 10 minutes after doing this before flushing the toilet. While I was cleaning today, I had a load of laundry going, so now I'm going to switch that over into the dryer. I like to start a load of laundry before I start cleaning because it feels like you're getting two things done at once, and the laundry is finished by the time you're finished cleaning. So these are dryer balls, and what I'm doing is putting some of this essential oil on them. It's the scent Awake from Grove, and I think it kind of smells like grapefruit. And what you do is put 2 to 3 drops on each one and then put them in your dryer. And these are like a replacement for dryer sheets. You can get this set of 3 dryer balls and the Awake essential oils sold together at Grove, and I have it linked in my description box below. So now I'm hanging up some of my clothes. I've mentioned before, a lot of my shirts I don't dry, and this drying rack is seriously amazing. It's from IKEA, and it holds about 3 loads of laundry. My kitchen always seems to be the biggest mess, so I'm starting by clearing everything off, and then I have some dishes to get to. Comment below what the messiest room in your house is. I'm using this Dawn Power Wash dish spray to wash my dishes today, and you spray this directly onto your dishes and then wash them with a sponge like normal. And I will say that it works really well. The soap actually works better than my Mrs. Meyer's soap. However, the spray bottle is a little bit hard to use, especially when your hands are wet. As usual, I'm using the Method Wood for Good spray on this wood island, and this spray just makes wood look very polished. know what you think I drew a picture of, and I'll give you 3 hints. Hint number 1 is I did a really bad job. Number 2 is it's an emoji, and number 3, it's green. This is just a paper towel wrapped around a butter knife to get the crumbs between the stove and the countertop. The last thing that I usually do in my cleaning routine is vacuum the floor, and I use this vacuum on the kitchen floor and the living room floor. And I do this last because when I wipe everything down, I just knock everything onto the floor, and then it's really easy to just vacuum it all up at the end. I hope you enjoyed this Clean With Me 2020 cleaning routine, and I wanted to thank you guys all so much for watching my video. I hope that it was motivational for you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.